Did I clean my room just for webcam? Yeah, clueless. If I move 2 centimeters, it's over. Okay. Hmm. Is it gonna work? I need to cross a checkpoint. Let me see first. I need to unbind the things. Oh. Has any of you ever clicked unbind all buttons instead of the one button? It happened to me like 3 times, I swear. I guess I'm just special. Okay. Now we wait. Title update. Okay. 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 It works. It works. It works on any map, so we got you. We ball. Lock in. Okay. I think this will take me like 3 hours maybe. Eyeball? Where? I don't see. Hey, it works. Okay, how does this work? I have watched Have play this, so I know some checkpoints. Some might say even I pre-played it. Wait, I'm goated? Oh. No song request? Yeah, no song request. It's not in the title or anything. Oh, hehe. Mr. Bean. Oh, checkpoint counter, true. I can... I mean, it's also good to have in game. Good focus, NG, good focus. 0 out of 100 kick W actually. This guy is a pro. I mean, pro players in 2024. Spotify or just a name or SoundCloud? I guess. Classic. I believe, yeah, Hulbo, we gonna be here for a while though. Okay. I'm goated. Peng. Easy. I haven't seen it lit. The bot is taking so long to update, why? I mean, it's fine, I guess. Hello, it. Now this is easy, like legit. Yeah. I have 10 seconds delay in settings? Yeah, I know, but... Last time it was 10 seconds because if it was 1 second or... the delay was too small and it was spoiling... Oh, I need to go to the right. I guess it's fine, like... Not like I'll cross more than one checkpoint every 10 hours. So we go ball. Wait, I'm goated. Oh. Hello, Nitro. What is this song? A quick one. Yeah, bro. Begging, yeah. Okay, I need to like... I need to disconnect my pad, I think. Nah, nothing will happen, right? I won't accidentally press... The quantum particle won't go through my pad to cause the DNF, right? For sure not. Oh. Not wrong song request? No, no. Hello, Nouch. Nouch! Okay, I'm goated actually. Best believe it. Look. Ah, bro, what? Already 3 minutes in, it's actually over. What? Why is Whiskey playing? Buddy, you're not getting past checkpoint 5. Just give up already. Nah, bro. He DNF'd? My goat. No, but like, this is impossible. I actually said it again. Yeah, bro. I can see the shot. Oh, true. Odds.
Conductor, we have a problem! Conductor, we have a problem! Conductor, we...
I think I don't know, but... I need to do gorilla grip. Now we tried the normal way again. Like this. Yeah, easy. We ball. Woo! Like. They're coming. Where do I go? Here? Streaming with facecam though is skibidi actually. I feel like there's someone watching me. It's not even the eyeball. I miss Beer though. How can play a trial without birdie TM? How can play? Oh. Classic song request. He's also playing trail. Left me, yeah, of course. 157. Oh, that one. It's a bit hard, no? I mean, low-key, any stadium STM is like piss free. Unless there are bugs. Bugs only make it harder. Not an elitist take. Oh la la. That was almost it. Vote skip, force skip. Yeah. You can try. Actually, I have a... there is an option to do the vote skip. There's also an option to blacklist some people from putting song requests. So please, don't make me do it. Oh, I need a full what? Okay, it's over actually. I'm not saying anything. I'm not. Am I goated? Oh. Okay. Oh, me. Skibidi toilet, female skibidi, classic. Wait, why is whiskey with me? Nah. I need to step it up. Okay. Do I press backwards here? If I press backwards, I'll get backwards gear. Yeah, it's actually impossible. I said it. Who made this map? Burly Pog. He was pogging. Yeah, yeah. Hmm. I'll stuck on the easiest checkpoint probably. Whiskey, stop playing. $2.95. That's not enough, okay. Whiskey, why playing? I'm afraid, of course I am. Is there no way to... Yeah, whatever. Bullshit. Uzi 3 hours? Yeah. I remember the times where they were playing it daily for 10 hours. Hello, figure. The mapper agreed to... Wait, which mapper? What is being said? I'm confused. Burly Pog. Oh. Okay. Nah, bro! I can't make it! Yeah, it's actually GG, you know? At least I woke up 1 hour ago, so... No, 2 hours ago. Oh, 300, that's it. Bang, easy. We ball now. What is this? Okay. Woohoo! It's... Spec escaped asylum. The Rift? Why are you playing Rift? Why? Why? Consistently slide out. Noob? Yo, is the chippy chippy chappa chappa for the 5th time? Crazy. Oh. Okay, that's the whole checkpoint. We ball. Mods. Mods, do this checkpoint for me. Actually, what's a good... Please skip? Nah, I'll let it play one more time. Doesn't matter. Mods need to do the gamba when there is checkpoint 10. Or estimated finish. Mods, remember your mod duties. Wait, maybe? Oh, I'm goated. Okay. The map gets harder and harder? Nah. That's a lie. Oh. But there is gotta be like million different... It's fine, it's fine. What? Is it the 5th checkpoint in a row where I have to do 360? I would never tell actually. What do I need to do? Okay, that's the checkpoint. I just need to do two 360s again. I'm shocked. Mm-hmm. How does the 360 even work? I'm in gear 3, shouldn't it be like fine? Or why is it not fine? You never... Bro, you're bad, Whiskey. Deal with it. Opa. Didn't you build an ice map? 4925. You should be... You should know how to play ice, no? Like... Can drive the bobsleigh? But I will gear up, no? Oh. Okay, good backseat. That doesn't help, but... Wait, I'm goated. Close. I did the gorilla grip. I'm actually goated. Okay. Oh, hello, Martinez. Wait, where do I go? Here? Epic. Need to do checkpoint scouting. Hey, that's the whole checkpoint. Okay. Guys, it's actually free. All the checkpoints are like that, right? Oh no. Nah. Daily spec spamming. I think I need gear 2 here. Okay. Okay, that's perfect. What is the one guy emote? Uh, sorry, this channel does not allow such emotes. No, no, no. You. Oh, you piggy. Actually. Actually, piggy. Why am I gear free? Oh, never mind. Wait, I'm goated. No! Unlucky. I deserved. Most wholesome emotes? Good job, Whiskey. Why gear change? Why now? Why? 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 Legit, why? Quick bag. What's this song? I'm scared. Oh. Nah, but like this checkpoint should be free, no? Mods. Hey! Low entry. Big fan. Why the gear? Why? Why gear? Why gear? Why? 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 Is there even any mod? What? Modding here? No? What is this gear? No, this is actually bullshit. Honestly, bullshit. What is happening to my car? Just drive. Oh, okay. Nah. Oh, the next song. Okay. Plan B. No, 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 no. No, no, no. All alone in VC, yes. But if you want to join, you can join. That's why I'm alone. Yeah, of course. Gear change when perfect. You can join. I don't know if it's safe for you to join. Very easy. Oh. There's a bumper, okay. Losing extra 12 hours of content? True. But Bira doesn't want to play. Wait, do I just... Oh. Yeah, finally good songs. Holy. Jesus Christ. Okay. Is it PF? Looks like it. Muting? Reported. Okay, actually speedrunning. Only maybe it will take only like 10 hours. Hello mini bar. Oh. Yeah, okay. 7 checkpoints already. Wowee. Yeah, I see. Better than Chippy Chippy Chappa Chappa? Disagree. Okay, I can't accelerate. Spec, do you want to join VC? Be my first guest? Oh. Yeah, no,
Don't
those
worry.
two. Oh, hello, mods!
I'm here.
Oh, holy shit, hello.
I heard you were inviting Spec, so I had to save you.
Finally. How are you doing, my fellow moderator? I always care about my mods.
So the working conditions are
Are you
great.
fed well?
Yeah.
Good.
I got
Next
the
checkpoint. Oh, it's so easy.
33-cent transaction. Thank you.
Life changing, I know. Savior. Wait, what am I doing here? Did you play? Oh, whoops. um. What the fuck is this song? Yeah, whatever. Do I go here? Nah. Oh. Whoops, save me, please.
No.
No. Did you see that the official Nadeo developer Mr. Darek Nadeo, he said the update is coming on 27th, which is in 5 days.
What?
How? No, in 4 days. Oh shit. Which means on Tuesday we will be there no matter what.
Yeah. This is great for the economy. It's 2 days before Kaki Remixed. So maps won't be broken in the middle of the tournament. It'll be broken before the
Surely there will
tournament.
be Kaki maps with Snowker.
I saw the Kaki Remix 2 trailer. Oh, 3 trailer. And there's one map with Snowcar.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh what? Now we're playing
And
Kaki again.
it uses the from what I could see, it uses the geometry of the car to use or to do a trick. So it might be broken.
No.
Quick back that they take it out of map pack.
We're gonna play this.
Yeah. Kaki Remix is my favorite Kaki event.
Of course it is.
My bad. I sincerely
Everyone need to
apologize.
only play TMGL.
I would, but
Hello, Tromdon. Oh god, everyone stop spamming the fucking 1% Among Us. Have a conversation in chat. Oh, wow, that's so far away, what?
yeah, guys, come on, have a real conversation.
We need to talk about global warming.
We need to talk about Counter-Strike. No, we don't. I
Actually,
don't
we
want to talk
shouldn't.
about it.
Yeah.
I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about
Nothing
it.
happened.
I need more
Nothing
bullets! I
happened.
need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets! Bigger weapons!
I'm EP,
Bigger
bro. What the
weapons!
fuck? I woke up 2 hours ago. How am I EP?
Was? I mean, what? English only in this stream.
Drink Monsterek? No, no, no. 22 days without Monsterek. Going strong. I'm reformed. Okay, I think this checkpoint is actually piss free. Bang! Woo! Easy.
Wow.
Wow, you are there. It's because of you. What's on Crystal
yeah.
Meth? Not good, I would say.
Breaking Bad reference?
Wait, what am I doing here? What are these checkpoints? Was... Okay, it cannot possibly be that hard though. Wait, Nitlit, which checkpoint are you at? "12. Okay, I'm not that far. Huh? Oh, you're waiting. Yeah, of course. Thought I was goated. Wait, maybe? Okay. I did the gorilla grip.
Holy.
Oh. Feeling it? It's tax evasion. Oh, I know this checkpoint. This checkpoint I know. I pre-watched, I pre-played actually. Actually, I'm Mika. Real? Hey, who are the other teams that are in the last chance?
I saw Bad Boom and Guild Eagles playing.
And
And then
Fnatic?
there's Fnatic
Oh, yeah.
versus... who was Fnatic against? Let me check. Fnatic wanted to be on the top by 2025. Let me see. Fnatic versus Gamer Legion. There it is. Ah, they are not
yeah.
surviving that.
Okay, I cheer for Gamer Legion then. Because they have snacks.
They have... Bro, they have Acor as well.
They have who?
Acor.
Where?
Danish Opera.
Oh.
Kinda
Hey, man.
underrated. Says the guy who just said they're cheering because they have a Polish person.
No, because it's snacks.
Yeah. That's what they all say.
Oh, now. League stream when? League is not fun. I hit the low master on solo queue and I legit haven't played solo queue since. It's just there is no point of grinding. It's too much time.
Wait, it was Guild Eagles versus Astralis, right? No,
No.
it wasn't.
Panda.
Yeah, no, but in the armor. I swear they played at one point.
Did they?
No, they did not. I'm delusional.
Actually, goated song.
But like,
VIP,
watching
the guy
Guild.
who requested it.
Guild is such a weird team to watch. It's like watching a 12k elo lobby.
It's actually
But
crazy
it
that
works.
they.
It works from them.
But they like from all of them are from Kosovo, right?
They have one from Switzerland. But yeah, everyone else is Kosovo.
Yeah, bro. Like, Kosovo is like so little people, and they like goated at CS.
Watching Twitch chat while Guild is playing is always a fun activity.
Why?
Certain controversies.
They would never type something related to the nationality, right?
Nope, never.
Of course not.
Counter-Strike is not a toxic community.
No, no, no. Trackmania is actually. You feel it?
Yeah. Yeah, that's the reason I'm less involved in this community nowadays.
How many people even live in Kosovo? Like 500,000?
Good question. Too lazy to
Conductor, we
research.
have a problem. Conductor, we have a problem. Conductor,
Honestly, when you live in like small country, it's probably easy to get a president, become president.
True.
Like imagine you're born in like Tuvalu or something, and you just wanna become a president.
Bro, if you're born in Tuvalu, you don't reach the age of being president before your country's underwater.
Nowhere.
Also, you guys are actually spreading misinformation.
How many people there are in
researched it.
Denmark?
6 million.
Only? Wow.
Denmark.